Hi, and welcome to the Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India YouTube channel. I'm, as usual, your host, Morton, and summer is coming up. And as most of you know, I live in a border area, so my plan now today is show you how to operate your radio when abroad and how to use your call sign. So while you watch the intro, I will drive to the border. I am now on the Norwegian side of the border, and I'm in my car, and that's one of my points, how you should do this. Because you can either be portable or mobile when you're not in your shack. And at the moment, I am mobile. I'm in my car. Well, I'm going to try to call CQ on the simplex frequency here in region 1, which is 145.5, and see if anyone gets back to me. CQ2 meter, CQ2 meter, CQ2 meter, LB0 Fox India Mobil, LB0 Fox India Mobil, kaller CQ2 meter. And I used LB0 Fox India /mobile here since I'm in my car. And when you're out walking, you're portable, and we'll have a look at that soon. And when you cross the border, you get at something more to your call sign, so hang on and we'll do that as well. We're now straight at the border. As you can see, we're on the Norwegian side. And on this side, I would be LB0 Fox India /portable. And on the other side, I would be Sierra Mike /Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India /portable. Since I'm in Sweden and I am portable on foot. So I've reached the Swedish side of the border now, and you might ask yourself, why do Norwegians go to Sweden? Well, it's a bit of a complicated answer, but mainly cheap pork products such as bacon, cheap candy, and adult entertainment. And then again, a lot of other things. But right now we're on a shopping area by the border. And people come here for cheap goods. That's pretty much it. Cheap meat, cheap tobacco, cheap candy, and some adult entertainment, as I said. But we're gonna try to open a repeater, the local repeater. See if anyone replies to me if I'm calling from Sweden. And the fact that I'm opening a repeater out of country says a little bit about how close to the border I live, and how close everything is international here. But let me try to open the repeater and we'll see. LB0 Foxtrot India, unnskyld, SM LB0 Foxtrot India Mobil, åpner repeateren og lytte. And no, no one got back to me now either. But that's how you do it. So in order to sum it up, when you are in your country and on foot, you're portable. So then you use your call sign and portable as an ending. When you're in your country and mobile, you use your call sign and /m for mobile at the end. When you are abroad, you use the prefix for that country, in my case Sierra Mike for Sweden right here. And then you do /portable when you're portable on foot, and /mobile when you're in your car. So if you were confused on how to operate ham radio internationally, I hope you're a little bit less confused now. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, 7-3.